Hey, this is Justin from AbrasiveBeltService.com, and today I'm going to tell you about our Dynabrade right angle die grinder kit. The kit comes with one Dynabrade right angle die grinder. It comes with two 3-inch coarse surface conditioning discs, two 3-inch medium surface conditioning discs, two fine surface conditioning discs, one 3-inch R-Lock quick change backup pad, a set of 2 wrenches to help you change them out, an airflow adapter. It comes with some 3-inch ceramic sanding disc. It comes with a 1-inch mandrel that holds 1-inch cross buffs. And it comes with an assortment of 1-inch cross buffs. Now I have our die grinder equipped with a 1-inch A medium cross buff, and we're going to clean out the inside of this 1-inch ID pipe. No sharp edges and ready to go. Now I'm going to use a 3-inch A-course surface conditioning disc on some steel and aluminum. With the purchase of an additional mandrel, you can use buffing wheels and buffing cones with your right angle die grinder. Abrasive Belt Service sells all these and the compounds to go along with it. I was able to buff out this aluminum rim with a buffing wheel and the right angle die grinder. Alright, thanks for watching. Today we showed you about the Dynabrade right angle die grinder kit and some of the accessories that go along with it. If you like what you've seen, come visit us at AbrasiveBeltService.com or give me an email at abrasivebelt@yahoo.com. Let me know what other products and videos you guys want to see. And if you need any abrasives or grinding products, give me a call. 1-888-488-2358. Look forward to working with you.